Welcome to Tech's New Tip. Discover the power of progress, where the treacherous roads return and the deep terrain is filled with heavy truck drivers, admiring the sheer power of the chainsaw to the limit of their courage. Every turn of the wheel, every delicate handling stage makes watching tense, to the point of breathlessness. The suspenseful episodes prepare for nerves of steel, because this action promises any moment. Oh, wait! Cutting down trees is one thing, but this is an entirely different league of chaos. The Carlton 7015 TRX is a revolutionary game-changer in stump grinding technology. With its remote control operation and adjustable track system, this machine allows you to tackle and grind any stump with precision while minimizing impact on your property. Boasting an impressive 32-inch cutting wheel and a grinding depth of 25 inches, the 7015 TRX is engineered for top-tier performance, making it the gold standard in its class. Whether it's dense routes or challenging terrain, this machine proves that power and finesse can go hand in hand. On steep, dirt mountain roads with heavy cargo, this machine stands out as the ultimate solution. Designed for complete control and ultra-smooth maneuverability, it transforms challenging routes into effortless journeys. You can tell they knew exactly where that tree was going to fall. Watching it topple was nerve-wracking, but they clearly had it all under control. The house miraculously escaped major damage, a testament to their skill and careful planning. Forget traditional methods. This colossal machine is like the ultimate forest lawnmower. It's transforming how timber is harvested with unmatched speed, efficiency, and precision. Watching it in action is both mesmerizing and mind-blowing. Trees don't follow a script. They bend, they break, they adapt. Each sway in the wind, every branch that stretches towards the light, is a quiet reminder of resilience and growth. They teach us that even when things seem rigid, there's room for flexibility and transformation. The Dipper Fox SC600 takes stump grinding to a whole new level. With its massive size and unparalleled power, this machine tackles even the largest stumps effortlessly. Its innovative design and efficiency redefine what's possible in stump removal, saving time and effort on the toughest jobs. Behold the MTC-60, a powerhouse tractor locked in a muddy showdown. With its wheels spinning furiously and a trailer full of timber weighing it down, the question hangs in the air. Can it break free from the clutches of the mud pit? As the engine roars and the tires struggle for traction, this is a spectacle of raw power and perseverance. Will the MTC-60 prevail, or will the mud claim victory? Stick around to witness the outcome of this epic showdown. The sheer velocity and unpredictability of this event were nothing short of breathtaking. The magnitude of the situation stands as a testament to the robust safety protocols in place, ensuring every participant walked away unharmed. A tree snaps mid-cut, and down goes another chainsaw along with the crashing log. The blade twisted beyond repair after impact. But thank goodness this guy was decked out in full protective gear. Safety control isn't just a protocol, it's the backbone of every successful operation. From scaling heights with precision to meticulously clearing fall zones, every step is crucial to ensuring the well-being of the crew and surrounding environment. Indeed, sometimes life isn't always like the fairy tales with charming heroes. But it's those unexpected moments, unplanned encounters, and sudden strokes of luck that create the most interesting and memorable stories. Felling a mature tree is a risky task that requires precision and strength. It's crucial to recognize that the roots can become a dangerous projectile if not handled properly. Establishing a safety perimeter is essential to ensure the safety of everyone involved. In a tight and confined space, this lumberjack found himself with his saw stuck high up in the tree. But he didn't give up. Instead, he cleverly used the tree's own weight to free himself from the predicament. This is a recipe for disaster if I've ever seen one. Watching this unfold, you can't help but wonder what was going through their minds. The tension, the risks. Oh, did you see that Mack truck jump? It's unlike anything else. Pure power and agility in one epic leap. Some people are simply out of luck. Wrong place, wrong time, and an unforgettable lesson in time and place. At first glance, this wood chipper may seem harmless, but don't let that fool you. It can shred trees up to 200 millimeters thick, producing a staggering 14 million cubic meters of wood chips per hour. Watch the video and you'll be holding your breath in awe. It's truly impressive. Mesmerizing doesn't even begin to describe it. Watching Jack take down a massive 200-year-old hollow tree was nothing short of breathtaking. The precision in wrapping chains around the ancient trunk to prevent it from snapping showed true craftsmanship. Knowing the tree had long been dead only added depth to the spectacle. And Ross. Why hire a professional when you can trust the local cleaner to tackle a massive tree, right? It's all about saving money, or at least that's what they thought. Spoiler alert, this budget-cutting decision just might cost them more than they ever expected. Out on a vast field, two men are taking on a towering giant of a tree. One of them expertly wields a chainsaw, cutting strategically around the trunk, while the other hops onto a trusty tractor, using raw machine power to push the tree to its tipping point. Will their teamwork and precision win this showdown, or will the tree have the last laugh? Stay tuned for the moment of truth.